Get excited about the 2016 Ford Escape. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, front fog lights, and much more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.